For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to create a computerized resource, the biggest digital money. That would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability and influence. Every one of the obstacles and creative unconventionalities encompassing digital currencies were settled when Charles Hoskinson begat Cardano. Charles Hoskinson, fellow benefactor of Ethereum himself, didn't realize that he was in for remarkable additions when he made spontaneous creations in his esteemed computerized posterity, making Cardano kill all imperfections and restrictions, giving the world a one-stop arrangement. Cardano network battles all deterrents concerning adaptability, interoperability, and administration. Allow us to examine a portion of its remarkable elements. One upheld by a devoted group of experts working really hard to guarantee the system of Cardano is tailor-made to suit financial backer necessity. 2 a day in and day out nonstop visit and email support guarantee financial backers generally partake in the essential hand-holding while at the same time completing any exchanges. 3 setting higher client benchmarks. This digital money market plans to create substantial income for every one of its financial backers. 4 being an open source code program. The usefulness of Cardano works on completely clear straightforwardness as well as exchange secrecy in the organization. It will give unmatched security to dApps and social orders. 5. The zero exposure proof places the power in the possession of a definitive client, working with the whole exchange method's numerical consistency. 6. The instrument of the Cardano blockchain is conceptualized to such an extent that it guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. The people group at the Cardano project plans to convey financial additions to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of instructing and cautioning them on all the lowdown of the crypto world. The establishment committed to Cardano Establishment's venture has support from InfoResult Hong Kong and Emergo. Taking on the total sanction of liability towards financial backer social reason, Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK cares for the surface. Together, they edit the imaginative peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, composing formal techniques points of interest. The entire portfolio is fastidiously explored and evaluated by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is profoundly forceful in spreading mass attention to the advanced resource ADA supported by schooling on blockchain and DeFi areas with representatives, promoters, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate techniques makes Cardano stand apart from its companions and fundamentally influences different industry portions. Frederick Gergard, the CEO, has the vision as of now critically cut for the corporate Cardano establishment has a devoted and top-quality ability base, which will take Cardano higher than ever, and I guess that the following couple of years will be a huge development period for the convention. In addition to that, Cardano saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May. However, the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its adaptability to more readily oblige the new clients. Hydra is a Layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs equipped for taking care of 1,000 exchanges each second. In the event that it is valid, Cardano will be the most elevated scaling network on the planet. Cardano is the 7th biggest digital currency by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has a tremendous market cap of $12,953,826,843. The development in ADA is primarily because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has reported one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. In any case, 2022 has not been completely ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto lord, Bitcoin. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging a scope of 31 cents to 38 cents. After ADA's cost hit $1.59 in January, it persistently exchanged at lower values. It even neglected to hold its drawn-out help of 40 cents. ADA endeavored a recuperation, showing a seriously bullish example supported areas of strength for buy notwithstanding the unfriendly market patterns from mid-walk. Subsequent to coming to the $1.20 mark, the cost of Cardano confronted a critical revision and fell underneath $1. As indicated by our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the digital money market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from here on out. Presently, the value activity of Cardano reflects negative force. A DA/USD could keep on confronting impermanent adjustment up to its past help of 13 cents. In any case, according to our Cardano expectations, the cash will record a cost recuperation when the market settles. The ADA coin showed range-bound exchanging, and for the leftover days of the year, our Cardano cost expectation 2022 demonstrates a ceaseless combination in the cost. and the ADA cost will be unable to cross the 35 cents mark. In any case, the cost could begin serious areas of strength for a following a couple of months in 2023. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. As per our ADA estimates, the coin might exchange a scope of 33 cents to 80 cents for the year 2023, where the base cost is 33 cents and the greatest cost is 80 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around 56 cents. ADA Value Expectation 2024. The base and most extreme costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around 64 cents and 97 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost conjecture, is supposed to be around 81 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. 2025 is the year when at long last the coin might cross its $1 mark again, with a greatest exchanging worth of $1.32, while the base future cost is supposed to be 86 cents. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $1.09. Cardano Forecast 2026. The ADA cost could vary somewhere in the range of $1.17 and $1.79 in 2026, where the previous is the least cost and the last option is the greatest cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost expectations. The typical worth expected for the year is $1.48. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. As per our ADA cost expectation, the base, normal, and most extreme costs for the year are supposed to be $1.41, $1.78, and $2.15 individually. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and assuming you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, brokers can acquire incredible benefits. ADA Coin Value Forecast 2028. In view of past execution and Cardano conjecture for 2028, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $1.82 and $2.78, while the typical ADA cost might be $2.30 for the year 2028. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. According to our ADA cost expectation, the base and most extreme costs might be around $1.96 and $2.99 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is determined to be $2.47. The cost change for the year according to our ADA figures is supposed to be over half. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. When it is 2030, our ADA Cost Forecast 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $2.59 and $3.96. Simultaneously, our Cardano Value Expectation 2030 recommends that the typical worth might be $3.28 all year long. Subsequent to raising a ruckus around town the ADA coin will progress forward the upturn. Here are numerous crypto specialists who think the ADA value estimate to be extremely hopeful, having colossal procuring potential, and urge financial backers to give sparkling proposals as underneath for this computerized resource. The Cardano gauge recommends that the ADA cost could cross the greatest cost of $2.77 toward the finish of 2029. The base cost may be around $1.09 according to their ADA Cost Forecast 2025. In light of our Cardano forecast, it is a terrible long haul.